doing that, y'all? What are you doing?
He's gonna have a whole sleeve before the end of this year's done.
What's he doing on this?
Birds.
If I got one bird, I want the other one. I don't want to be lonely. I want to get to know. It has your panda. The panda's scary. He's like 12 times his size.
You was jealous because I had 2 new ones, so you needed 2 new ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, definitely. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay.
Save it.
Sure you were.